Here's something else you want to do too. When you get your TV that you're going to mount on the wall, first off, you figure out what size you're going to get, obviously. This one's a 32-inch. Then when you get the wall mount bracket, you want to get the associated bracket that fits this particular TV, because believe it or not, you get a different size TV, maybe it won't fit on this bracket assembly. This bracket assembly here though, it's a universal bracket and it says fits most flat panel TVs. If you look here, 19 inches to 47 inches. And see, it's just going to hang off of one hanger, and this kind of tilts away from the wall and kind of swivels out too. So I think this is going to be a good one. But you know, they have different wall mount assemblies. There's 2 or 3 different ones to pick from. So check that out when you're at the store so that you get the right one for your TV. Cindy, can you help me figure out the height of this TV?
Sure, I'll try.
Okay. Are you going to keep this here, because this one's taller than the one in Chelsea's room? This one. So I'm not sure if you're going to have this here, or are you going to put this off to the side, or are you going to have a different dresser here?
I may have something different.
Because it might make a difference exactly where we put this, or do you want it so that if you have this here or something lower, we can do it either way?
I think that's the way to go.
Okay.
That way I'll have the flexibility.
And if we do that, you may have to, I don't know, maybe move this stuff, because I don't want to get the TV way up so high that you got to crane your neck looking at it, or anything like that. So, because on hers, 34 1/4, and then that was the height of hers. Then we're going to go up 2 feet to the bottom. We're going to go up 2 feet to the bottom, and then the TV was 20 inches tall. So from here up to the top of the tape measure was where it's going to be. That, I don't know, that might look a little low for this. Here, put that.
But it doesn't really.
Yeah. Let's bring this.
What, the bird?
Yeah, just set that back up here. Let's just visualize. 58. Okay, if the bottom of the TV was about here, would that be okay?
Oh, yeah.
Here, come over here. The bottom is there?
Mm-hmm.
Or do you want it up a little higher or not?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I like it.
Because with you having 9-foot ceilings, I mean, you could go up higher if you want.
How much higher would you recommend?
Well, I don't know.
Maybe another 4 inches?
Yeah, about there maybe.
Yeah, let's do that.
About that.
And then we know for sure.
Okay.
That it won't be
Because the bed's back far enough. Plus,
oh, yeah.
plus this mounting bracket that you got tilts. So instead of having the TV straight, we can tilt it out a little bit.
If need be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then,
I like that.
Then that will be so that you can still have stuff on here. I think we'll do that.
I like it.
Okay. That's about 5 feet.
That's easy to remember.
Okay. Write that down. That's to the bottom. And do you want the TV centered on this wall where this alcove is, or do you want it centered on the bed? Do you think it really matters?
I don't think it really matters.
All right. Because I guess you don't really have the bed situated just yet.
No, because I don't have 9 ceilings.
And if we get it pretty close to the middle, even if you wanted to, you could take that, kind of swivel it to the right or the left.
That would probably look best.
I think that'll be all right.
Yes, and it doesn't have to be dead center.
Because the center of the room is pretty close to where the center of the bed is right now.
So that should work out.
But yeah. All
That
right.
should work out perfectly.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thanks.